Hey tap dancers, it is so good to be tap dancing with you again here in my tap room. I've got this great combo I've choreographed for you today to Pink's song Trustfall. It is a beginner level combo. It might feel a little advanced beginner just because of the tempo. And if you're unsure whether you're a beginner tap dancer or an advanced beginner tap dancer or what that even means, there's a quiz in the link below. Go ahead and take it, and not only is it going to tell you what tap dance level you are, but it's going to tell you what to do next. So go ahead and grab that. Okay, let's dance. Okay, we're gonna start on our left side. It is my right side. I'm mirroring you as always, so you're facing me, I'm facing you, and we're gonna be mirrored, okay? So you're gonna pick up your left foot, you're going to put your foot down on a step, and then you're going to kind of turn it out, drop that heel, and then drop that toe. So it's just 1 and 2. Then you're gonna pick it up, and you're going to spank it back, spank, step, heel, stamp. Okay, let's go back and do that again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. One more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. From there, you're going to pick up that left foot. You're going to toe heel behind you. And then you're going to do a paradiddle with your other foot. Dig, spank, step, heel. So that little section was just step, heel, dig, spank, step, heel. So putting that together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and stamp. Okay, we're gonna add that stamp at the end. One more time. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That 8 is actually gonna be the beginning of our next pattern. So we're gonna start going 8, we just did that stamp, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so we're just doing a little stamp, step, step, stamp, step, step, stamp, step, step, stamp, step, step. Okay, it is 4 times. So it's 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It's actually only 3 times. I lied, I'm sorry. 3 times. Okay, so let's go back and try that again from the beginning. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now here you're on your toes. You're going to drop your heels on 5. Then you're going to pick up your left foot and spank it back. 6. Then you're going to do a cramp roll. Toe, toe, heel, heel. Okay? 5, 6, and 7 and 8. So that was spank, step, step, heel, heel. Let's try that from the beginning. 5, 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Good. From there, you're going to take your left foot and you're going to kind of do this swirl around, okay? A little rond de jambe, if you will. Okay, you're gonna swirl your leg around 1, 2, 3. That's 3 beats you're gonna take. So you're gonna plie on your supporting leg and just kind of take your time. Then you're going to do a toe hit behind you, hit, heel drop. Okay, so your weight is all the way over here on your right. Okay, so you're going to hit and then lift that heel and put it back down. Okay? Good. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to do again. You've done this little part before. Step, heel, paradiddle, spank. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Try one more time. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That is the whole thing to one side. We will repeat it to the other side, okay? Let's do it one time through on this left side. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Woo! Good job. Okay, let's reverse it. Pick up your right foot. Okay, just starting right there. Step, heel, toe drop. And you can see I swivel my foot out as we do it. Great, and then we're gonna spank, spank, step, heel, stamp. Toe, heel, paradiddle, stamp. Okay, let's get that in the other side again. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good, remember that 8 is 8 and 1. Right back to that. Stamp, step, step. Let's go into that part this time. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Remember from here we're on our toes, so we drop 5. Then same, you're gonna pick up your right foot, spank it back, 6, step, step, heel, heel. That cramp roll, okay? Spank, step, step, heel, heel. Then we'll pick up our right foot and we'll swirl it around. 1, 2, 3, 4, and step, heel, paradiddle, stamp. That is the whole thing. Let's try that whole thing to the right side one more time. 5, 6, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Great. Okay, let's do that whole thing. Right side and then left side, and you can click that link below to grab that performance video and do it with the track. Here we go. 5, 6, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Woo! You did it. Okay, go check out that performance track, run it with the song, do it over and over again. Subscribe, like, grab the links. You know what to do. I will see you next time in the tap room. Bye, friends.